2013 Volkswagen Jetta. The mirror turn knob, the mirror adjustment knob is broken off. So I went on Amazon and I got this replacement knob, and I'm just going to be doing it myself. I'm going to be replacing it on my own. So this, I literally got this car. I got it from an auction site, and it got delivered to me, and I realized that the mirror adjustment knob was broken off. So obviously I cannot drive it like this to go get inspection and stuff. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to go tow the car to inspection and have to pay all these fees. So I'm just gonna replace it myself. So you guys will be watching me. What I will be using for this is I got this mini knife. So I did not want the knife to cut these scratches on my car, so I put tape around it and I just left the tip open. And I also got this set, screwdriver set, and I'm just gonna be using the flathead one. I have this, and the flathead is this one. I just pop it in and it's gonna help me too. So these are my tools: a knife and a screwdriver. And of course, for me to replace it, I have to remove this first. So I'm just gonna put it here, put the knife here. I'm gonna pop the door open. It's gonna take a little bit of effort, but okay. Yeah. I have this thick jacket because it's kind of cold out here and it's kind of restricting my movement a bit. So I'm just gonna take off the jacket. Well, unbutton it, unzip it. You don't be holding the knife and be trying to do other stuff. Like, I just know that it won't cut me because I know how I'm a cook. Cooks know how to handle knife. But put it here slowly. Take your time doing this. Like, don't try and do too much. You know. Slowly bring it out. You gotta be careful while doing this and wash your hands so you don't get poked by the knife. Just take your time doing it. You just need to pop it off. But don't go and start doing too much. You can see I'm making a lot of progress. Because I know if I went to a mechanic to do this, I would have gotten charged like so much money, which is why I'm trying to do it myself. I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver head. So I have a couple that are smaller than the one that I picked up, like this one for example. But let me try the second biggest, this one. Okay, let me try this, the smallest one. Actually, I brought my other knife. I have another knife that would also work for this. That was the one that I should have brought. Okay, let me start from this other end and see what it does. Yo, you didn't get to see. I thought my video was still recording, but it wasn't recording. But I basically went and rewatched the tutorial that I saw the DIY for this on, and I was able to wrestle it off. I am so mad that you guys didn't get to see, but I was just saying this has like, if you look at this, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which is just like this. It also has the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I was just saying that this thing is just like that. It has the, and this, if if you go to a mechanic to fix this, they are gonna do the exact same process that I did to remove this, and they are gonna charge you way more. Like I literally went on Amazon and bought this thing for like some change. Let me show you. If you go to a mechanic to fix this, they will charge you a lot of money for it. Which is, you can see, I bought this for like $12 on Amazon. And just like that, I'm able to like fix it myself and everything. Like, you can find a lot of things on Amazon. Like everything I'm using to fix my car, like when I got this car from an auction site, I literally just went on Amazon. I bought a bunch of cleaning supplies and everything, detailing stuff. And I think they're gonna come to me by tomorrow and next tomorrow. Anyway, you see this? This color is a bit different, but it has the same number of of pins as the other one. Let me show you with some light. It's getting a bit dark. It's like 5:25 right now, so it's getting dark. You can see it has the same number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that is the same as this thing, the electrical part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I'm just gonna affix it. I'm just gonna match the number of plunks, and also pay attention to this. You'll see this block, this raised block, and this other raised block. Make sure it matches up perfectly to this. You like make sure it perfectly matches. Let me put this here so I can see. Yeah, my phone say nope. My phone say nope. Okay. Just match this two. Just match it up. So the flat side will match to this flat side here, and the block, this other side will match here. So it should be like when I fit it. Yeah. As long as you match those two, it's gonna fit. You just need it to be perfectly matched. So I'm just gonna fit it up and just push it in. Just push it in as much as you can. Make sure it's fitted properly. Push it in. I know the light is not very good, but I hope you guys learn something from this. And even if it's not from my video, you guys can still search up tutorial, or just search up how to fix your volkswagen the adjustment mirror adjustment knob. There are very much more clearer videos than this that you can also watch. But if you want to support me, please watch to the beginning. I really appreciate it. And guys, I just got this car, but I plan to be doing a lot of maintenance as much as possible on my own, like stuff like changing oil, like changing water fluids, changing coolants. Like I plan to learn how to do all those stuff and do it on my own, and I plan to make videos on this channel for it. Of course, I'll try my best to do like earlier in the morning so that I'll have the natural lightning and I won't have to be struggling with my phone to give me some light. Ah, oh my god, I literally forgot this car has a light too. Yo, I'm wilding. But the light is not very bright. Uh-uh. Okay, that's as bright as the light. The brightest light ever. Uh, it's crazy, cause what is that? I just gotta see something. Yo, I don't know. Not. I'm literally a beginner about cars. I don't know. No, I don't know a lot of everything. Okay. Okay. I'm trying, yo. Anyway, so I got a little bit of light, but I'm almost done anyway. So after I do this, and I make sure that the electrical part are well fitted, like in there. All I gotta do is just push it in, push it back, fit the box back in where it's supposed to be, push it here, and push everything back in till it overlaps again. You'll hear the click, so just do it till you hear the clicks. Alright, I fixed it. So this thing is a bit loose. Well, it's not as tight as the first one was, even though it popped into place, right? But I think the thing is, because of this, if I ever need to replace it again, it will be way faster and easier for me to just go in and do real quick. But it works. So I'm doing this is the left side. I go up, like you can see the mirror. You see it's showing up. I go down, showing down. I go to the side. It's already all the way out, so I just go inside. And you can see it adjusting. Like for me, this is a reasonable. Okay, maybe go down a little bit more. You can see I can see the. I know the light is not very good, but I can see the car behind me right now. From this, in general, the mirror adjustment knob is known to break. So yeah, it's very well known to break a lot. So if this ever happens again, I know exactly what to do. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and subscribe if you like this video. Please drop some comments down below. If you want me to react to any other, if you want me to make any type of video just on my new car or anything. I told you guys I got the car from an auction. If you want me to make a video about just like the process of getting the car from auction, just let me know. Okay, all right, see y'all later. Bye.